So maybe this video will be less controversial than the last one. You would think so. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules and today I am talking about 5 luxury handbags you need to start your collection. This is actually a follow-up video to the 5 luxury handbags that I would never ever buy. And some of you loved that video and some of you really didn't love that video. So these are my 5 must-haves. They're at the top of my list. I am new to starting a luxury collection myself, and so if you are too, maybe my list can help you. So if you like videos like this or just videos on fashion in general, then please hit the subscribe button. It looks like this, but you can also click this one right over here. So starting out with handbag number 1, I am starting on the most fancy, glamorous, luxurious occasion that you could look for. And that is an evening crossbody / clutch. And there's nothing to me, no brand that jumps out at me more than Yves Saint Laurent. A YSL crossbody clutch bag is just, I don't know, the epitome of dressing up an outfit just so simply, so casually, and yet it's just so sophisticated. The YSL, along with the beautiful leather, it just pops and it's gorgeous. I am really partial to the YSL envelope chain wallet. Like I said, to me, this is the epitome of glamorous and fancy in a really understated and beautiful way. Plus, buying it new, it's really affordably priced. So this to me is the perfect first bag to buy, start out your collection. It's just so luxurious. You can add it to so many things. I'm really partial to it in black, and you can add it to a more casual outfit to dress it up as well. So it really can kind of play both sides of the court, but at the same time, it's just so beautiful, so fancy and perfect. Like, I really, really want one. So luxury handbag number 2 on my list is another classic bag. And this one, I do think for starting a collection, you have to get it in black because this brand is so iconically black, like you have to. And that is the Chanel Classic Flap bag. I'm not really sure which size is the perfect size. I think that's a really personal decision to your own height and uses for the bag. So I'm not gonna comment on the size, but the style of this bag, so classic. And yes, you would have to get it in black, like the resale value is there, but it's just, if you're gonna get Chanel, like your first Chanel, they're expensive, guys. It has to be black. So I added this bag to my top 5, not only because it's so classic, but because it can be paired with so many things and easily dressed up and dressed down. And because of the different sizes, I feel like it's a little more versatile than the YSL clutch. The Chanel bag, you can really dress up or dress down, and you can fit some more things in it. I think for me, like if you were to tell me like, hey, we're gonna give you a free bag, then I would probably go with either the small or the medium. Even if you handed me one right now, I still wouldn't know which one I wanted. Okay, gun to my head, I'd pick a small, I think. This to me is just your perfect way to just instantly make your casual outfit look amazing. You could take it to work, you could take it out on the weekends, you could take it to dinner. It really can travel everywhere with you. That is why it is number 2 on my list. It is a bit of a splurge, so I don't anticipate myself getting it anytime soon. So coming in at number 3 on my list, I'm still in crossbody land, but this one is definitely casual, and that is the Gucci Soho small leather disco bag. I love this bag, and I really love it in the rose beige leather. This can go with anything. It's perfect for weekends or running around or just anything casual where you just want to have your essentials and get your you know what done. It's definitely a casual look, but I think that's the nice change up between all the other ones. It's like the first bag that I'm like, yes, I want this luxury bag, and yes, I want it to be casual with no option of dressing it up. Go on Instagram, you will see that this bag is everywhere. It is definitely in right now, and I think it's one that's really gonna stand the test of time. I mean, a small nude leather crossbody is going to go with everything forever. So it's a great investment, and because it's small, you know, it's pretty affordable for a luxury bag. So I'll be honest with you, number 4 came in at a tie. And that's because these two bags to me perform the same function and I love them both. I honestly just couldn't tell you which one I like more. So I'm gonna tell you both of them. For me personally, bag number 4 is a bag I would want for work. A very professional, clean cut, gorgeous yet understated, larger bag that could either be worn with a crossbody or with a top handle. For me, the tie for number 4 came between the Prada Galleria tote bag and the Givenchy Antigona bag. Both carry the same amount of stuff and both check the boxes for very professional, polished look. So for this, I'm actually gonna throw it to you, my viewers, because a lot of you know a lot more about luxury than I do. And so for someone like me starting out a collection, which one should I get? Knowing that this is more what I would consider like my work bag and also can securely carry some things, because you all know I love zippers. I'm having flashbacks to saying why I didn't like the Neverfull. Because I know the Prada bag, it has that open compartment, which I don't mind because it has 2 zipper compartments. So I can carry my valuables in there, and then kind of the bigger part is just for like stuff I would need at work. But the Givenchy bag is just also so beautiful and classic that I could see that one working as well. So again, let me know what you think. Please put it in the comments below. I'm really curious to see which one you guys like more. So last but certainly not least is bag number 5. And this one just holds a really special place in my heart. And so for this one, I definitely want a everyday kind of tote bag. Not something that's super dressy and professional looking, but something that goes with a lot of things. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's just that versatile everyday tote bag that is not a Neverfull. If you've watched any of my videos, you probably know that I'm talking about the Louis Vuitton Iena bag. I love this bag. This is in the PM size. And it is just, guys, this bag is perfect. It literally solves all of the problems I have with the Neverfull. I use it all the time and I love the azure. This is my very first bag in my luxury collection, so it had to be on my list and I couldn't recommend it more because of this zipper. Like, look at that, guys. Look at that zipper. Everything stays super secure. I keep my phone in this pocket a lot, and the PM size is perfect for me, but I could see if you carry a lot more things than I do, then the MM size is really good as well. And so I love this color and I love how the inside is pink. I recently did a video on this bag, which I will link up here and in the description box below. So make sure to go check that out if you're considering adding this to your collection, whether you're starting or continuing to grow your collection. I really do think this is a must-have. So those are the 5 luxury handbags that you need to start your collection. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree or disagree, but also let me know if there's some other ones I should consider. I really think that these 5 bags as a group check all of the boxes that one might want for starting their collection. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like it and also subscribe. Like, let's be friends. I would love to have you back. So that's it for me. I'm Jules and I will see you in my next video. Bye.